What's going on, YouTube? It's another morning, the next morning. As I told y'all, I had to take it to the shop. So, this is what the video gonna be about today. Finally, after all this time, I've been told and asked, like, man, why don't you get rid of that ugly splitter in the front? Yes, the splitter in the front is horrible. It looks bad to me. So today, we're gonna be replacing this. Yeah. So, it doesn't look good to me at all. I mean, I think any of the Challengers that come with the Hemi should automatically come with that type of splitter. Like, I also think that Challengers that come with the Hemi should already come with Brembo brakes too, because it's hard as hell stopping this thing. But anyway, today's video, yes, we're gonna be installing, or getting installed, should I say, the wind splitter that I have right here. This splitter. So that is it. It already comes together with the side pieces and everything. Using the factory brackets that come with it. And it was only like 115 bucks. Straight from the dealership, not eBay, anywhere, just straight from the dealership, like 115 bucks flat out. So I think that was pretty good. And I think it's gonna give the car a whole more aggressive, a lot more aggressive look, and just a nice little cosmetic modification. So anyway, like I said, it's early, and as you can see, I have a new background because this last few weeks I've been moving, and that's been a hassle. I hate moving, but anyway, so it's time to get the day started. I got to get the kids wrangled up. Got to drop them off at school, and then on the way to work, I'll be dropping it off at a shop. And when I get to the shop, fill y'all in on more information. All right, guys. So I've taken the kids to school, dropped them off, got them all situated and stuff. As you can see in the back, I have the wind splitter, or lower air dam for people who are really particular about names, in the trunk of the car. I got it going through the back seat, and it fits perfectly. Okay, so this is where we are today. Ah, come on. Affordable Body Shop here in Douglasville. So this shop has gotten really, really good reviews. When I came here and got the estimate, it was pretty good compared to the dealership, which I will also tell you about as far as the pricing is concerned that they gave me. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I'm really looking forward to changing out this splitter, man. This thing is, I mean, it's miniature. Like, no offense to the guys with the SXTs, and the V6s, but I mean, it looks good for, V6s and stuff. But I think, man, when you got a Hemi, you got to have, the better quality, more heavier artillery. You know what I mean? Can't just be having the regular. So, yeah. So I'm dropping my car off here. It's about 7:50 in the morning right now. And it should only take maybe a couple hours. So luckily my job is literally down the street. So I'll get back with y'all and let you see the finished product and give you the pricing and everything. Like I said, man, I really wanted to do this on my own, but between, I guess, everything else I have going on and it being cold and honestly not having the tools, like I don't even have jack stands, and this is not something that I'm about to try to do without jack stands, because it seems like every driveway that I have is slanted and not safe. So anyway, y'all, man, I really want to do an install video for y'all, man, because I know I've seen other videos where they've installed this product, and I mean, honestly, it doesn't look too hard, but you gotta have a couple people to do it, I believe. And like I said, you definitely need some jack stands because it's just a safety precaution. And since I don't have the jack stands, man, I'm not about to take that chance. So yeah, next time y'all see it, man, she'll be up there. It'll be right. Now I have this thing out of my trunk, out of my garage, and on the car. Get back with y'all. All right, y'all. So it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and we are here at the body shop. Got my boy Terry. How you doing? Bringing me back. Yeah, you know, he always take care of me, man. Just like on the iBuy Sportline video, taking care of me real nice. So we about to go in here and see what they've done. I just okay.
We're so not photogenic.
No, it's not even photogenic. Okay, see, okay. So this is all right, guys. YouTube, this is Affordable Body Shop. This is Juanita here, and this is Wendy. They both helped me out very, very much on putting the lower air dam on the car. So I just want them to give you guys a brief summary of what Affordable Body Shop does. Just tell them what they do, so what y'all do, so they'll know. They'll come.
We do everything. There's no job too small, nothing too big. So, obviously, we do a lot of fleet trucks, a lot of RVs.
Okay.
A lot of emergency vehicles. So we're well trusted in the county.
Okay. So anyone that has any muscle cars, if they want paint or any type of body work done, they can come here.
Absolutely.
And it's affordable, just like the name says. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So y'all make sure y'all come down.
This is our okay food.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
And you don't find another one around, at least locally that we know of, that is that big.
Yeah, this
and
is...
you're able to section it off in the middle if it needs to be both sides, or, of course, open it up.
This is huge. And you guys do RVs and fleet trucks and everything. This is nice. Because I know, do you guys do wraps too? Or you just paint?
We can get them back.
You can do wraps.
Yeah.
They wrap cars. Oh my God. This is dope. If you're in Georgia and Atlanta, come to Affordable Body Shop. They do everything. That's nice. That is nice. Alright guys, so this is Cody here. He's the one that hooked me up on the lower air dam. It looks real good, man. And I'll definitely be coming back. If you're in Douglasville area, Metro Atlanta area, come to Affordable Body Shop and they'll set you straight. Good looking out, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Alright. Okay, so this is a huge shop. They do a lot of work here. So look at this. Ooh, a 240SX. I don't know what that is in the back, but it looks nice. And honestly, this looks, what is this? Hogzilla. I don't know, man. Y'all might be able to tell me what this is, but look like you got a little something under the hood. That is dope. That is dope. All right, so I'm going back up front. I'm going to close out and show y'all what it looks like, because I personally haven't seen it myself, but based off of the shop and the type of operation that they are running here, I'm pretty confident. So let's see what we got. All right, so when I tell you guys, this is a really, really good shop. If you are in Douglasville or around Douglasville or somewhere in Atlanta and you need a shop to do some really good work, please come to Affordable Auto in Douglasville. Here's the sign again so you all will see. So I'm just gonna start off with this. The first thing is, the car was hella dirty when I brought it here. They washed the car. Hellcat replicas are shining. As you can see, I replaced the 345 badge that was peeling off and really disturbed me in that other video. And here it is, the splitter. That looks oh so amazing. That looks so good. So good. So yeah, not only did they put the splitter on, but they cleaned the car up hella good, and they vacuumed it out as well. So it's hella clean as well. And not only that, that ain't it. That is not it. Check this out. They gave me pins. I got pins. Say Affordable Auto on it. I ain't done yet. Hold on. They also gave me a shirt that says Affordable Auto Body Shop on the back. Y'all can't tell me that's good. That is good. You're not gonna find a whole lot of companies that's gonna do stuff like this. So that's some really good work. All right. Last but not least, I'm back inside. Smells cleaner. Yeah. Okay. So the finished product looks really good in my opinion. And now for what you all really want to know is how much it cost. Boom. $184.80. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh man, that's a whole lot to pay to have a splitter put on that you could have put on yourself. Don't forget, I don't have jack stands. I don't have the tools to do it, so I couldn't do it myself. I wasn't about to mess nothing up. So Dodge was literally trying to rape me. I mean, it was disturbing. So I called them and they were trying to charge me $366 for the labor, just putting it on. I wasn't about to do all that. So anyway, yeah, man. So if it's your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Y'all stick around, man, because I got way more modifications coming. I got some other stuff that I'm trying to do too. It's Johnny here with JRTProductions, man. JRT Pride Squad. Y'all stay strong, stay blessed, stay safe out here in these streets, man. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.